My planners are not working right now, and I just figured let's press record and just talk about it. Talk about why my planners are not working, and maybe we'll come up with some solutions. Maybe it'll help you. Who knows? Let's check it out. Hello my planner pals and welcome back. If you're new, hi, I am Di, this is Creative Comedy Design, and as I said, my planners are not working. Right now I have 3 in here. I've got my catch-all, my wellness and my journal. And you'll know that I've struggled with my journal. My journal is actually working fine. What's not working is my catch-all, my wellness and my business. I'm not liking having everything out of my frankenplanner. So this is typically 3 months of each of my planner, and then as, let's say, for example, March ends, I take March out and then I put in, April is already in here, then I'll put in like May. Sometimes I've been putting in another month. I think I will only be keeping 2 months of everything, because what I'm thinking is I am only using the monthly out of here, and I haven't even used the monthly. I would like to get back to it. It's just everything being in different planners is kind of messing with my brain right now. So I think that's the first thing. I'm going to get a sheet of paper and just kind of write off to one side what I want. I want everything in my frankenplanner. That is the first thing that I want. I want everything in my frankenplanner. So that means this has to give, because right now it's chunky. It's chunky. Now it's chunky for a couple of reasons. One of those reasons is I put in these. Because I have to be careful of my oxalates right now, I put in these. I'm not sure they're going to stay in here. In fact, I think I'm going to just take them out, staple them, or paperclip them. I might paperclip them. I want to bind them in some way. So yeah, I don't know. I don't know what the solution there is, but right now, the one that's mainly not working is my health planner. Purely because I am not working out as much as I was. And all I'm tracking in here is my vitamins, my water and my food. That's all I've been tracking. And I'm just wondering, right now, and this is something I'm testing for this week. I've put in hydration here, vitamins, and I'm wondering if I can add my food in here or something, or I just add in a little like half sheet with that on. Is the other thing that I'm thinking. Could I do that? Could I add in like a half sheet into here? Possibly, because all I need is tracker for vitamins, food and water. So really the only thing that I need is the food. Yeah, the only thing that I need is the food, and I'm like, I could put that there, but I've been using this as my content. But could I put the food there and then put the content over here, which would make more sense because I've been using these for like YouTube and Patreon. I don't know what the solution is right now. Right now, I'm considering, this is what I'm considering. I've done this. I'm considering taking this and either changing my catch-all to aligned or checklist vertical, or doing away with the wellness planner, putting my monthly into my journal. I'm struggling. I'm struggling because I haven't so far, and I know that March has been a weird month for me. I haven't been using all of this. I've barely been using all of this. I didn't use this as much because I was just in a mood. This works. I just don't know how to move this over here. Do I need to? Would be the other question that we should be asking ourselves. Do I need to? Could I just put a couple of little habit trackers on this side and this work? And maybe this is just something that I think about for April as we move forward. Can I put habit trackers on here for water, vitamins, and stuff like health stuff, so that I don't need a health planner? Because again, all I'm using is this bit, the water, and then I've put vitamins in here because I didn't know what else to put there. Any suggestions there would be welcome. So the other thing that I'm considering, again, is because I've taken this out, I'm going to take out, I've got a ton of paper in here. For some reason, I went a little bit ham with the paper. Don't know why I thought I needed so much notepaper when I barely ever use it. So I'm going to take these out. See, that already feels a bit better. That's as much as I would like in here. What I'm thinking is two things. Either I put my work stuff, my business monthlies in here, or I have a separate daily planner that I literally just chicken scratch on, or I put a daily section in here, and that's what my wellness becomes. It becomes a daily section. This may just be a mad ramble. It may help somebody, but what do you do for your monthly? Because I want this to be an overview of what happened this month. That's my overview page. These are my goals in my currently. And then my weekly, I would like it to be productive stuff. But I also don't know that looking back at this, that I need to know that I did food prep on this day. Do I need to know the minutiae of each day, or could I just put that on a daily? And if I put it on a daily, do I want to put that daily in here, like as a little half sheet, or do I want it in its own section as a daily here? Do I want it in its own planner? I am on the struggle bus right now. Those are the things that I'm thinking of. Either changing the dashboard to aligned vertical or a timed vertical. That was my other option, a timed vertical, and getting rid of my wellness, which I'm on the side of getting rid of my wellness. If I get rid of the wellness and then I just put the trackers in my catchall, regardless of what layout I use, and then the monthly that I'm using in here, I can do that in my journal. Then I can put in my monthlies for here, because I've not been using the weeklies, which is annoying, but I've not been using them. Do I just want to try a daily planner? I want you to let me know if you have a daily planner, and do you use it? And do you have it in your regular planner, or do you have it in a separate planner? What do you do? Because right now I'm considering this. I got this from my girlfriend, and I'm especially digging this by the hour type thing. And also, if I was using this, I could use this to store my sheets and then take them out and then just put them in here for the week, for the day, for whatever. See, I'm liking that idea as well, because I like the fact that it's smaller. Again, the half sheet, the half skinny would work too, but I like the fact that it's the mini and it's smaller. I want you to let me know what you do. I want you to let me know, what do you think I should do? I like everything in one planner, but it's not that I'm not using it, I'm not doing anything of any noteworthy anything in my wellness planner. And the more I think about it, the more I'm like, why do you have it in here? I'm leaning to this, especially the timed, but then I'm like, maybe I want to try the timed layout. And maybe that's what I'll do in Q2, is I'll try flipping and going to the vertical in here, in my catchall, and going to the vertical here. It's just, again, if this isn't broke, why am I trying to fix it? And I think mostly it's because I like decorating all of the layouts. I like decorating all of the layouts, and I'm struggling right now in life. So I'm also like, I shouldn't be making any big decisions. But I want you to let me know if you relate. Do you have a daily? How do you use it? Do you save your daily sheets? Because I probably wouldn't. I don't think I would save my dailies. I think I would just toss them at the end of the week. And do you have a separate daily, or do you put it in your main planner? Let me know what you think I should do. Let me know what you do. And yeah, maybe I'll have an update soon with my planner crisis. That's what I'm calling it. It's a planner crisis. All right. Drop me a comment, leave me a like. I'll see you next time. Go watch this video.